Hello everyone, my name is Akash Patel and welcome to my presentation on AWS Machine Learning Foundation and Amazon SageMaker Basics. So this presentation is a part of my database design and development and follow my AWS certified machine learning engineering associate learning journey. So today we will discuss machine learning fundamentals, AWS machine learning services and Amazon SageMaker. We will also understand how machine learning and cloud technologies work together in modern technology environments. So let's begin. So before we begin, let's review today's learning objective. By the end of this presentation, we will understand basic machine learning concepts and how machine learning supports modern technology systems. We will explain supervised learning and unsupervised learning fundamentals. We will also understand how AWS supports machine learning development using cloud services. Another objective is understanding Amazon SageMaker and its role in machine learning workflow. Finally, we will recognize how cloud technologies and machine learning environments work together inside AWS. Now, let's begin with machine learning fundamentals. So, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computer systems to learn pattern from data and improve performance without direct programming from every task. Instead of manual writing instructions for every situation, machine learning systems analyze information and identity patterns automatically. So, machine learning is commonly used in many industries today. So, recommendation systems are one example. Streaming platforms and online shopping applications often suggest content or product based on user activity. Detection is another important application. Bank, Banks and financial systems use machine learning to identify suspicious transactions. Machine learning also support image recognition and customer behavior analysis. Modern organizations use machine learning to improve automation and support data-driven decisions making. Let's move to the next slides. So, machine learning approaches are commonly divided into multiple categories. The first category is supervised learning. Supervised learning use labeled training data. The systems learn pattern from examples and use those patterns to make predictions. A common example is email spam detection. Machine learning models learn from existing examples to identify spam messages. The second category is unsupervised learning. So, unsupervised learning use unlabeled information instead of predictions. Model identify hidden patterns and relationships. Customers segmentation is one example. Organization can organize Organizations use machine learning to group customers based on purchasing behavior. Both supervised and unsupervised learning help organizations build intelligent application and analytics systems. Let's move to the next slides. So, machine learning development usually follow multiple stages. The first stage is data collection. Organization gather information from multiple data sources. The next stage is preparation. Data often need cleaning and organization before training begins. The third stage is model training. The machine learning algorithms learn patterns from prepared information. After training, model evaluation happens. Performance is measured to determine model quality. The final stage is deployment. Trained machine learning model become available for production systems. These stages help organizations build reliable machine learning environments. Let's move to the next slides. AWS provide cloud service that help organizations build machine learning system efficiently. AWS machine learning environments provide scalable computing resources and cloud storage systems. AWS also provides security capabilities and machine learning development tools. Cloud technologies reduce infrastructure complexity and allow organization to focus more on machine learning innovation. AWS cloud environment supports both experimentation and production machine learning systems. This flexibility makes AWS important for modern machine learning development. Let's move to the next slides. So now let's discuss Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is an AWS machine learning service designed for to help developers and data teams build, train, and deploy machine learning models. Machine learning projects often require multiple steps and infrastructure resources. SageMaker help simplify these processes. SageMaker provides several important capabilities. The first capability is data preparation. Data can be organized and prepared before model training begins. The second capability is model training. Machine learning models learn patterns from datasets during this stage. The next capability is model deployment. Organization can deploy trained models into productions environments. Another capability is performance monitoring. Teams can monitor model behavior and evaluate performance over time. Amazon SageMaker helps organization improve machine learning development efficiently while reducing operational complexity. So, machine learning development often requires significant computing resources and infrastructure. So, Amazon SageMaker provide several advantages that help organizations build machine learning system more efficiently. The first benefit is scalability. SageMaker support machine learning workload that may grow over time. The second benefit is automation. SageMaker simplifies machine learning development process and reduce manual efforts. Another important benefit is integration. Amazon SageMaker work well with AWS cloud services. These allow organizations to build machine learning environments more efficiently. Flexibility is another advantage. Different machine learning approaches and workflows can be supported depending on project requirements. These capabilities help organizations improve productivity and machine learning operations. So, machine learning and cloud technologies work closely together in a modern technology environments. Cloud infrastructure provide storage systems, computing resources, security management, and scalable environments. So, machine learning systems often require large data set and computing powers. Cloud environments help organizations handle these requirements more efficiently. For example, machine learning models may need large storage systems for training information. Cloud platforms help provide this infrastructure without requiring organization to maintain expense hardware. AWS environments help organization build reliable machine learning solution while improving flexibility and scalability. This connection between cloud computing and machine learning continue become more important across industries. So now let's review some important concepts from today's presentation. Machine learning help organizations generate useful insights from information. We learned about supervised learning and unsupervised learning approaches. We also discussed how AWS cloud service support machine learning development. AWS SageMaker simplifies machine learning workflow and improve development efficiency. Finally, cloud technologies and machine learning continue dividing modern technology innovation. Understanding this concept create a strong foundation for future machine learning and AWS development. So that's it for today. This brings us to the end of today's presentation on AWS Machine Learning Foundation and Amazon SageMaker Basics. So thank you for watching this presentation and supporting this AWS learning journey. I hope this presentation helped explain machine learning foundation and AWS machine learning concepts in a simple and understandable way. If this presentation was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support AWS learning and technology educations. I would like to give a special thanks to my professor, Dr. Victor Govindaswamy, for guidance, encouragement, supports, and helping students strengthen practical cloud computing and technology skills. Thank you, everyone, for your time and attention. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.